Hey guys, it's me, Ikuhara Gamer. In this video of Minecraft, we are going to build a farmhouse. In the last video, I asked what type of house should I build, and the most comment was the farmhouse. So here we are. But first things first, subscribe to the channel, like this video, because I want to reach 10,000 subscribers. To start our house, we have to do an entrance hall. You have to use an andesite, a stone, a gravel, an oak fence, and a torch. So, put the blocks with no order, it's organized, and put the oak fence right here, like that way. And put the organized torch, not here, sorry, right here. Now put the block of stripped spruce log, this, and put in front of the oak fences with 5 of high. 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like this. And put more a space of 4 blocks and put exactly the same but in the back. Now connect the barriers with the oak planks, and with the roof you put stripped oak log right here, like that, and the floor the same. Oh no, I got the wrong side of the block. Right, yes, like that. And put the oak wood stairs in this way. Oh, like that. Put the glass pane here. Put in a dark oak door. Oh, oops. Yeah, like that. In the left, you connect the barriers with oak planks and put the oak wood stairs here. No, in the other side, sorry. Like that. Put the glass pane here. Put another barrier with 6 spaces, and put the stripped spruce log, and put more 3 on diagonal, and the left side with the same height, 5. And with 9 of blocks of space, you put another barrier. Now close this and do the same with the windows, like with the oak planks, the oak wood stairs, and the glass pane, and close these 2. With the stripped oak log, you put the floor, and you complete all this with the floor and with the ceiling, like that. And I'm going to draw outside to use the ceiling, like that. It's pretty dark, so I'm gonna put lamps in the house, just like this way. For the ceiling, put the spruce wood stairs like that, in this way. And put the second floor, like that. Now with the spruce wood slab, cover all of this that's exposed. In decorating, use your creativity to finish the house, and the best decorations will appear in my next video. I haven't played this game in a long time. Thanks to you to make this tutorial, because the Minecraft is a very good game. So don't forget to enjoy and subscribe to the channel. Bye, and until the next video.